guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing a quick VR for Maria's Micellany, and she has an awesome channel, guys. She does lots of junk journaling and really cool crafts. She also does hauls, and I hope you guys will go by and check her out. I will link Maria's channel down below in the description box, and all Maria is asking for this giveaway on the growth of her channel is a postcard. So I created this summary postcard. I love it. That is the images I've used, and I decorated it on up. I covered up the cougar because he kind of got his head chopped off, so he's hiding under the palm trees, and I just still think it looks adorable. I added the washi at the bottom, and my Cricut was able to draw out the drawing here and the words "Hello Summer" and the images of the stamp and the butterfly, and all I did was color in the butterfly and the "Hello Summer," and I added a strip of washi down the middle. And I'm going to fill this on out, and this is the postcard from Maria. And guys, go check on her channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!